dreamed something today, but I forgot it. After that, I was turning on my phone. I had turned on my phone before I watched a movie. I had been trying to recall the dream since I watched a movie. I often forget my dreams as soon as I wake up. I'm remembering my dream flow. I have remembered some small details before I read the story with 6 sentences. I have been thinking about the dream until the end of the class. I will read the story in the front of the class. I will be presenting it beside Mam Barotun. I will have shared the story before Mam Barotun and the class. All my friends will also have been sharing the story until 12. I will go to Kata Ariang after class. I will be enjoying swimming there. I will have booked some snacks before I swim. I will have been swimming until 16.